Hey guys, good morning. It's Friday. I'm actually waiting right now because our car is getting inspected and oil change and all that stuff like that because we're getting ready to leave for Florida on Tuesday. So I thought I'd take a little walk around. It's a bit chilly here in PA today, but it's supposed to get nicer over the weekend, so we'll see. But here I am coming at you with your AOTD for Friday, November 30th, 2018. So for today, I thought I would do the quote thing because I haven't done one of those yet. The quote for today was actually given to me by my high school music teacher, Miss Good. She gave it to us when we graduated in our senior year. She gave everybody a quote. And the one she gave with me actually kind of stuck with me throughout my whole life. She must have known that I was going to need it somewhere down the line. The quote is by Henry David Thoreau, and it says, "Our life is frittered away by detail. Simplify, simplify." And yeah, that really resonates with me because our life can become so cluttered and filled up with so many things that we don't need to do, or maybe that we do need to do, and we just have to learn how to balance more. But I think that just by eliminating all the clutter out of our life that we don't need and all that extra junk that's just kind of weighing us down, we actually kind of improve the quality of our life. So it's a great quote. I know it's a very old quote, but it definitely pertains to life as we know it right now, especially in the world that we live in, this time that we live in. Everything is so busy and there's so much going on. So as we approach the holidays, I just encourage you to simplify, simplify. Enjoy the time with your family and your friends, and make great memories. And that's all I got for today, guys. See you again tomorrow. Have a great day.